everybody? This is 2025 Leaf Photographic 2-box. Pick your letter number 3. We did a 10 spot, 14 per, top 3 draft for the remaining letters. We are full. Good luck, everyone. Dice roll. We're going 7. 7 on the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. 7. Wow, look at that. I think we have to drive out to like the Prim. Like, I think that's like California borderline. Ed Ram, top spot. D Lam with the last 2 spots. Ed Ram, you have the first pick. I'm assuming you want tea. Thank you, guys. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, those who missed. I'm really sorry. Oh, man. Get the sheet printed. Thank you guys, though, so much for helping and pushing through. If I don't get you guys in this, like, I hope I can get you in something else. That's always my hope. How about we do a guess, guys? One guess, guys. For both of the boxes. 25 and Blez bucks credit each for each. Guess, guys, really quick. Let's do it. 25 and Blez bucks credit. Go, go, go. Give you guys a minute to guess really quick. Keep taking your Looney Tunes, guys. Batman. Take your next one. Let's do it, guys. We got 2 more breaks of this in the case, and then it's on to a fresh one. All right, let's get into it. There's Joe. All right. All right, let's see who we got. Is that Ted? Who is that? P. Red buttons. Red buttons. To the B. Agnita. Red buttons. Who is he? I don't know. I don't know. Someone Google him. Looks like an actor, no? Congrats to the B spot. And Anita. All right. Thank you, James R. Oh, he kind of did. Oh, Mango Bango. Why'd you have to say that? He actually kind of looked like he would have been, too. Okay. Second card. $0.03. Herschel Walker. For Swish. Herschel Walker. B-ball player. The NFL. I should have known. I'm horrible. There's Swish. Oh, really? Dang. Swish is a hitter. Congrats, Swish. Oh, man. We have to do the rest of the case. Doozy. We have to do the rest of the case, right, guys? Take your 4 and 5. Let's just kill the case. Take your 4 and 5. Thank you, guys.